Is your current Facebook engagement strategy delivering the results you desire? Possibly not, and that's okay. Today, we're delving into some proven strategies to help you boost engagement on your Facebook page. First and foremost, focus on creating high-quality content. This should be interesting, relevant, and valuable to your audience. Don't shy away from eye-catching visuals such as images and videos, as they can serve as excellent attention grabbers. Understanding your audience is also paramount. By analyzing your audience's demographics, interests, and behaviors, you can tailor your content to their preferences. Facebook Insights is a fantastic tool for gathering this data and tweaking your strategy accordingly. Consistency is key when it comes to posting. Keep a regular schedule to maintain audience engagement. And don't be afraid to experiment with different posting times to discover when your audience is most active. Engage your audience by asking questions in your posts. Responding promptly to comments and engaging in conversations with your audience can foster a sense of community and boost interaction. Hosting contests and giveaways is another excellent strategy. These not only encourage participation and sharing, but also ensure that the prizes align with your audience's interests. Facebook groups offer another avenue for engagement. Join relevant groups, participate in discussions, and share your content when appropriate, always abiding by group rules. Next, consider utilizing Facebook Live. Live videos often receive higher engagement than regular posts. Think about hosting Q&A sessions, behind-the-scenes looks, or product demonstrations. Optimizing post timing is also crucial. Experiment with different times and use scheduling tools to ensure your posts go live when your audience is most active. Incorporating hashtags can increase the discoverability of your posts. Relevant hashtags and branded hashtags can encourage user-generated content. Running Facebook ads can also be beneficial. Boosting important posts or running targeted ads can increase visibility. Facebook's ad targeting options are robust and offer the opportunity to reach specific demographics. User-generated content is a goldmine for engagement. Encourage your audience to create and share content related to your brand, and showcase this content to foster a sense of community. Optimizing your Facebook page is also essential. Ensure it is complete with accurate information, a compelling profile picture, and a cover photo. A clear and concise page description can effectively communicate your brand identity. Finally, monitor and analyze your efforts regularly. Facebook Insights can help track the performance of your posts. Identify trends and adjust your strategy based on what works best. In conclusion, boosting Facebook engagement involves creating high-quality content, understanding your audience, posting consistently, engaging through questions, hosting contests, utilizing Facebook groups and live, optimizing post timing, incorporating hashtags, running ads, sharing user-generated content, optimizing your page, and monitoring and analyzing your efforts. Remember, it's crucial to adapt these strategies to fit your specific audience and industry. Regular analysis, testing, and refinement of your strategy based on results will yield the best outcomes.